Personal development or self-improvement consists of activities that develop a person's capabilities and potential, build human capital, facilitate employability, enhance quality of life, and facilitate the realization of dreams and aspirations.
Knowing oneself. Self. Pagod na ako. Ako si Angge, may maraming problema na hinaharap. Family problem, financial problem, relationship. Kaya ko pa kaya?
Financial problem, financial problem, financial.
Still I lay my head, oh I will sing of the goodness of God. 'Cause all my life you have been faithful, and all my life you have been so, so good. With every breath that I am able, oh I will sing.
I accept what I am and what my condition is because I know myself that I am pretty inside and out.
How do people cope with stress? To the fire in darkness night, you are close like no other. I know you as a father, I know you as a friend, and I have lived in the goodness of God. And all my life you have been faithful. Coping. To cope is to deal with and overcome struggles and difficulties in life. It is a way for people to maintain their mental and emotional well-being. Of the goodness of God. Your goodness is running after, it's running after me. Your goodness is running after.
Thank you, sir.
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 Thank you, sir, because we learn a lot.